Welcome back, guys, for another market recap. Here we have GameStop. The market just closed literally 8 minutes ago. I'm doing this video right now because I want to cover GameStop and their partnership with Microsoft, which definitely caused a ton of momentum today in the stock. I thought we were going to pull back to the 1070 area, and then after the $12 mark, after I said if this pops here, which it did to like the $13 mark, I said I'm going to chase it. I'm going to scalp it. I'm going to size in with 1,000 shares, which is kind of risky. But I sold. I told myself I was going to sell into the next spike. Even though if I would have held right now, we would have still been in an amazing profit as it hit 14.20 after hours. So keep in mind the momentum is definitely going to pull into tomorrow. I believe even if we pull back to 13 and find some support there, we are going to definitely keep on moving up. So it's up 44% right now. This stock literally woke up, came from the living. It was dead. It has its 52-week high right now. The low was 257. It did not move at all. It's trading alongside this SMA for so long. But now this is definitely going to be a stock that's 100% on other traders' watch list. So we were able to lock in 105 on this one. On the day, we are a little bit up above 206. We were at like 250, but we gave back some profit. Trying to hop in Tesla again, and we'll cover that right now. But GameStop, 100%. Keep this one on watch. And we have Tesla, which we bought twice today, which we were trying to scalp the balances, guys. You can see here these shaded gray areas was where the resistance was at, and this would have been an amazing bounce here, but I got scared. I said I'm just gonna wait, and we finally got the what is this, like the third, fourth bounce here, almost towards the midday. We went to the gym, came back, and when we came back, guys, we literally came back towards the lows. So we caught in up on another scalp here, which was a decent play, and I thought we were gonna come back to like the 429 level. But we tried to retracing back, and again, me being me, I have my tight stop losses, especially during this time as we head into elections. Man, that trimmed some profit off of our portfolio. Nothing too bad. We're still green on the day, and we also gave back. I'll As for this for tomorrow, guys, I'm definitely excited because if we break past like the 428, 429 level, we can hold and come back down up to the 436 level. As for the 4 hour grand scheme of things, big picture, I'm eyeing the 460 level, but we're still trading above SMA. As you can see, we're getting tight here. If we pull back, we could probably pull back to the 400 at the low 400s, 410, 415. But again, I don't necessarily love swing trading. I'm not the biggest fan of it, just because I value my sleep, guys. I like sleeping, especially when I swing something. It's always in my mind, and I'll be waking up like at 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, just to check the stock price, check futures. So we're gonna take a look at Apple, which we took a small loss today on this one of 25 bucks, nothing too crazy. One other one that I was trying to scalp these bounces, like these bounces, the resistance was at the EMA, and I got scared on this one again. This was the play right here, that bounce here, and I thought we were gonna break past the 115.50 and run all the way back to the 115.90. That would have been an amazing play, but once again, tight stop loss, and we only lost like 20 bucks, which is not bad because look, it only managed to break out like 20 minutes later, and then it did hit the SMA, and then from there we went all the way down to the under 115s. So once again, watch the 115.50 level. NIO, another one on the very top of my watch list, hit 22.45. I wasn't able to find an entry on this one. It would have been a good idea to buy at $22, but once again, it's coming down from the 22.30s at market open, and I just wasn't. I was busy with other stocks, and just trying to balance all these stocks is sometimes not the best idea. You just want to focus on one and go all out on that one. So, but not to say, even if it closed at $21.43. How about YouTube watch this? We go on the 4 hour. We're still at these highs right here, still wedging in, still holding up above the EMA, way up above the SMA. So if we can probably just still maintain above the $20 mark for, I'd say, till next week, it's good. I'm probably gonna be taking my position finally on NIO. As for the 5 minute, as you can see, we're still trading along this line here. We have the 2160s. That happens to be the form of resistance and support throughout the days. AMD, one that I started watching yesterday, I forgot to talk about it. Today it had this crazy reversal. Easy to say in hindsight. Once again, almost a similar drop to NIO, and find some support, and then it just completely rocketed all the way up to 88.72. Another one that's easy to say we could have gotten locked in a profit, but this is a beautiful pullbacks and bounces off the higher lows. And then I don't know about this sell-off into the market close. If it would have held 87.50s, that probably would have been an ideal level. But once it started cracking under the 87.50s, that's the level we could watch for tomorrow. But first and foremost, make sure it's above 87. That's what I would play. GameStop we already covered. Let's see what else we had another play on TQ. Yes, we did this one. So basically just covered a loss in Apple. 33 profit, nothing too crazy. Once again, try to catch the dip buy, which we bought here at this low of 137. Well, we got filled at 134.63, and we sold at close to 135. And that was an amazing little scalp on the bounce. It pulled back once again. You could have rebought this at a lower price, and you would have had an amazing run up above EMA. But again, easy to say in hindsight. So those were our 4 plays that we had today. That's pretty much it. Beyond me, this one was another one that crept up to new highs, but I'm not a big fan of the volume here midday and the choppiness midday. So that's my thoughts on that one. I'll probably just wait for it to pull back. I know we were talking about the 160s. We have it here on the shade gray area. Yeah, but I'm waiting for a pullback. It's been creeping up above EMA, has yet to pull back. It's only been tested like early October, so we're gonna pull back soon. TQ, Tesla, GameStop, Apple. That's pretty much it for the plays. Tomorrow is Friday, so we should probably see some momentum headed into. We should probably see another green day tomorrow. So that's pretty much it. Leave a comment down below with what you're trading. Leave a like on the video if you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe. First thing down below for our free chat. Thank you guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.